Well, Dave, is mis Owen Yale, August Tamagin sa Cultúrlann a Warren a while. My name's Owen Yale. I'm one of the organisers of the event which is taking place this weekend, and it's the Cairealláin Winter School. And it's coming up to a year since Gearóid died. And I know, of course, a lot of people know Gearóid as one of the pioneers of the Irish language movement in Belfast for about 30, 40 years, going from the 1980s onwards. And besides that, he is also very well known. Of course, his son is in the group Kneecap, and his other two sons are quite well known for sports and music and various other activities. So they're a family who are well known in this area for the Irish language. And it was a great opportunity to give them as an opportunity to come together with Gearóid's friends, to hear about him, to get a fuller picture of who Gearóid O'Carlin was. We all know the sort of person who was in the headlines every so often. But a lot of people didn't know Gearóid very intimately or very well. So this gives an opportunity with an exhibition on, for example, of things that Gearóid was associated with. We have various talks for people who are very close to him. But the other end of it is we're also trying to concentrate on the issues that were important to him. So we're having discussion panels on is protest worth it? Does protest achieve anything? Because Gearóid was a protester of his life. He was involved in campaigns. He was trying to promote the Irish language, made him come into conflict with those that didn't want to promote the Irish language. So he was protesting most of his life. The second discussion, the second main theme of this winter school is the journalism and what role journalism plays in promoting the Irish language. So what we're having a mix of both social events and opportunities for people to sit and discuss and to move forward the ideas which Gearóid had. He's not with it, but the ideas are still there. And we need to develop them. And we do that in a tribute to him, but also because it's very important for Irish speakers that we try to work out how do we move to the next stage in the ideas that himself and other people before him had been putting forward for promoting the Irish language.